Hi ladies and gentlemen, Mark from Deamon Dezignz. Hope all is well. Basically, as you can see here, we're doing Spanish bars. Now we've done 30, we bent 30 bars here. So this is basically the tool that we made, is over this. So we made this tool here. So basically this is how we bend it. So we did this tool. So yeah, and there's the bending stick, which is there. So basically that's the bender. So what we do is we line it up, bend it, turn it around. Where's this mark here? Okay, that one side wasn't marked. So there, there, and there, and that's how we bend it. So yeah, so we did it awesome. We did 30 of these now, so as you can see, all the way there, and you got all of that there. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun to put together now. Thanks guys, cheers.